Warm welcome to all. Let's solve numerical on superposition theorem. Problem statement is given using superposition theorem. Determine the current through the 12 ohm resistor in figure. Let's observe circuit diagram. First observation. Both sources are voltage source, and second observation is that their polarity is opposite to each other. To solve this problem, consider the effects of voltage source independently and calculate current through 12 ohm. As I already explained, first step is to remove or deactivate one voltage source and find current flowing from 12 ohm. Deactivate 48 volt source by a short circuit as shown in figure, considering effect of 54 volt in resulting circuit. 12 ohm and 4 ohm are in parallel, so equivalent resistance is 3 ohm. Redraw the circuit using equivalent resistance 3 ohm to find loop current Is. Is is equal to E1 divided by total resistance of circuit is equal to 24 plus 3 equal to 27 ohm. So Is equal to 54 divided by 27, that is equal to 2 ampere current. Now we want to find current from R2 12 ohm because of 54 volt voltage source. Circuit shown 12 ohm and 4 ohm are in parallel and we calculated Is. So current flowing from R2 can find using current division rule, R3 divided by R3 plus R2 multiplied by Is. Answer is 0.5 ampere. We can cross-check answer using multisim simulation. Now deactivate 54 volt source by a short circuit as shown in figure. Considering effect of 48 volt in resulting circuit, 12 ohm and 24 ohm are in parallel. So equivalent resistance is 8 ohm and arrows are showing the current direction from different resistor. Redraw the circuit using equivalent resistance 8 ohm to find loop current Is. Is is equal to E2 divided by total resistance of circuit is equal to 8 plus 4 equal to 12 ohm. So Is equal to 48 divided by 12, it is equal to 4 ampere. Now we want to find current from R2 12 ohm because of 48 volt voltage source. Circuit shown 12 ohm and 24 ohm are in parallel and we calculated Is. So current flowing from R2 can find using current division rule, R1 divided by R1 plus R2 multiplied by Is. Answer is 2.67 ampere. We can cross-check answer using multisim simulation. To find total current from 12 ohm, because voltage source is summation of I2 dash and I2 double dash, but they flow in different direction. That's why according to KCL, I2 is equal to I2 dash minus I2 double dash is equal to 2.17 ampere in direction of 48 volt source and minus 2.67 ampere in the direction of 54 volt. We can cross-check answer using multisim simulation. Thank you.